Are joint pains and discomfort slowing you down, keeping you from doing the things you love? We understand how these aches can affect your daily life, making even the simplest activities a challenge. Say goodbye to your worries, because Flexafen is here to change the game and reduce joint pain in just 5 to 7 days. Unlike other products, Flexafen is a revolutionary formula designed to tackle the root cause of your pain without relying on risky pain pills. Flexafen will improve your mobility and relieve your pain by lubricating your joints and strengthening your cartilage. The secret lies in its unique formula, which includes Methylsulfonylmethane, hyaluronicacid, and many other ingredients that will provide strength to your joints and relieve your pain. And the best part? Flexafen is glucosamine free, so even if you have dietary restrictions, you can still benefit from it. If you experience mild or significant pain in your hands, hips, back, or knees, Flexafen is for you. Simply take 1 capsule every morning with food and water. We stand behind Flexafen with our 365-day money-back guarantee. If you're not satisfied, we'll refund your purchase without questions. Reclaim your joint health with Flexafen now. Take a screenshot or use the link below to order. 0 shipping fee for US residents.